What up, guys? We are in the question number 2. We gotta write expression for this stuff. Part B, we're not gonna do it because that's I think it's stupid. Like x over 2 minus whatever half of x minus 9. Anyways, so write an expression for those stuff. We gotta have 1/4 of x. What is 1/4? 1/4 this, right? 1/4 of x. When you say half of x, what do you understand? X and it is half. So what is half? Half is dividing by 2, right? So with the same logic, 1/4 of x should be dividing by 4. So I'm going to take s, I'm going to divide it by 4. And then I got to add 5. But this looks disgusting, and it's not only because of my handwriting, because it's mathematically disgusting as well. So instead of x over 4, I'm going to write it as 1 over 4 times x, because it's the same thing. I can add it to here as well, right? And then not add it, multiply it, and then plus 5. So it will be the answer for first part. And the second part, 3/5 of x subtract 2 with the same logic. 3/5 of x subtract 2. 1 add 1/2 of x. So it's easy. 11 subtract. I see I'm just doing it one by one. 11 subtract 5/6 of x. That's it. Of x means you multiply it. There is no division, really. 11 subtract 1 add another. No. Okay, yeah. Of x means that you are dividing, you are multiplying it with x, and add, subtract, whatever you already know what they mean. Now let's go to the next question. Next question says something Gina is doing. Let me copy the question to the clipboard. So we did it. We're going for the question itself. And now it's time. So we gotta do this. And we gotta take this frame thing and delete it. Pretty good. So this is question number 3, I'm guessing, or 4, or whatever. It doesn't really matter. So that is Gina. She is driving from Madrid to Paris. Madrid is, if you think of a Europe map, you don't have to know it. I don't know it as well. So it is something like this. There is an Italy over here. It looks like a boat, and then this part, then Turkey starts from here, but it's not in Europe. So we have these parts of Turkey. It goes like this, blah blah blah, and then there is a Portugal, Spain, blah, blah, and there is some Greece, whatever. Anyways, so she is living in Madrid because this part is Portugal. Madrid should be somewhere here in Spain. So she is in Madrid. She goes to Paris. Very bad decision. Never go to Paris, guys. French is France. Not a very good place. Okay. She's going from Madrid to Paris and then Paris to Rome. Roma, Italy. Best place in the world. So Rome has to be somewhere in the middle of Italy. So then she goes like this. So she goes to Madrid to Paris, Paris to Rome. Okay, perfecto. So what is this? Madrid to Paris to her friend's house, it is 1275.3 kilometers. And Paris to Rome is 1445.2 kilometers. How far did she drive altogether? So it says altogether, so we gotta just sum them up. Altogether, 0.5, 0.3, 1445.2. So altogether, it is just 5 here, 0, 2, what is this, 7, and 2. Yes, perfect. Is this the answer? No, because it says give your answer two significant figures. Correct to two significant figures. If we are talking about the significant figures, we are starting from the beginning. So this guy is the first significant figure. This guy is the second significant figure. Do I care about the other figures? No, that's it. So the answer will be just 2700. That's it. Let me see if we can go over the next question. Can we? Yes, we can. We will go for the next question as well. We have time in this video to go for the next question as well. So we are checking the next one. Next question is about a formula in mathematics. Let's go like this. So, guys, we gotta take this frame thing, not this one, this guy, this guy. Okay, let me first delete it. Yes. So the next question is about a formula in mathematics. This formula is actually for the decreasing geometric series, but we don't care about it for the sake of this video. The formula is used for something, whatever the formula is. Part A, we got to work out the value of S. We got to find S, but we got A and we got R, right? So we just got to plug in the numbers. What is plugging in? Writing the same formula and then substituting the numbers with their own values. So our formula was, again, remember, A1 minus R. And now let's write the exact same formula with the values that we know. For S value, do we know S? No. So we are substituting it with nothing, with itself. So now A, it's A over 1 over R, right? A, what is A? Do we know A? Yes, we do know A. It's given. So A, instead of A, I'm just going to write 5.6. For 1, can I substitute 1 with anything? Do I need to? No, nothing. I mean, 1 is just 1. Minus R. R is unknown. But for this part, they gave us what's R. So instead of R, I'm just going to write 0.6. And the rest is just a calculation. 5.6 is just itself. 1 minus 0.6. So you got the whole thing and you minus 0.6 of it. So 1 is actually 1.0, 0.6. If you do the minus thing, you will get 0.4. So now I cannot do it, right? 5.6 over 0.4. This is pretty weird. I don't know how to do it. So instead, I am going to multiply both parts. I mean both parts. So this guy and this guy. I will multiply both of them by 10. 5.6 multiplying by 10. It means that points will go to right. So 5.6 multiplied by 10. 0.4 multiplied by 10. 0.4 is the same thing as 4 itself. 56 over 4, which is what? 16? What is it? It should be 14, I guess. Okay, very good. And now part B, we have to work out the value of A this time when S is 36 and R is 0.6. So it is the exact same thing, but we are plugging in different guys. So now you remember our formula was just A over 1 minus R. Now let's see what we know, what we don't. Instead of S, now I know S, right? It's given. So instead of S, I'm going to write 36. Instead of equal sign, I'm not changing it. Instead of A, I don't know A, so I'm not going to change it. Instead of 1, well, it is what it is. Negative, minus, it is what it is. R, it is given. So it's not what it is, it's 0.8. Now I'm going to work it out a little bit. So it means that A, 1 minus 0.8. So it should be 0.2. So now we got it. 36 is equal to A over 0.2. So it means that, think about this. 6 is equal to 12 over 2. So it means if I multiply these two guys, I will get 12. So 6 times 2 should be 12. So multiply this guy with denominator. So multiply this guy with denominator. So instead of, in order to find A, I have to multiply this guy, which is 36, by denominator, which is 0.2. Multiplying it with the denominator, I mean, it's not an 8th grade topic, so I'm not going to explain why it is so, but you can multiply it and you will get that 36 times 2 is 72, but we have point in this side, so we'll go with the same thing. The A will be 7.2. If you have problems with the multiplication of decimals or ratios, I suggest you to review those topics because those are, I mean, 3rd grade topics or something like that. Okay, that's it. That was the end of this video. I think on the next video, we will go with stuff starting from question number 5. Bye bye. See you next time. Let me stop the video.